Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to blur background in Zoom meeting on mobile device. This is Zoom Workplace mobile version. So in order to change to make your virtual background blurry, you can open or you can join new meeting, start new meeting first, because in previous version you can set your virtual background or set it into the blurry one by tap more and settings. Now after the updates you cannot do that anymore. You can try to start new meeting, start meeting, or you can join meeting by the link. So here try to use this a toolbar in order to access apps. You can tap on apps and here there are added virtual backgrounds built by Zoom like timer, music, group photo. But here this is the virtual backgrounds. Discover the perfect virtual background, tap it. Now virtual background is part of Paxel, powered by Paxels. There are 4 categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. And how to set your background into the blurry one. See, there is a search pixels. You can tap 3 dots beside it. And here we go. This is the blur background. Now you can tap set the virtual background into the blurry one. So let's get back. In order to change your background, change your virtual backgrounds, let's repeat again. You can tap apps, tap virtual backgrounds, and tap 3 dots beside search filter by pixels and tap blur. Make sure your internet connection is good, or you can try to repeat repeatedly, because sometimes the virtual background is error. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.